Hello everyone, my name's Janet Smart, and today, August 23rd, is World Book Day. So in honor of World Book Day, I thought I would read a small section out of my latest book, Fun Through the Seasons, Recipes, Crafts, and Fun Facts for Kids, Volume 2. There's a section in here called Gaggles of Geese. Here's a picture I took of a mom and papa goose and their babies in the middle. I really love this picture. So, Gaggles of Geese. What grows down when it grows up? A goose. There are so many Canada geese nowadays that some people do not like them. Gaggles of geese are messy and noisy. They chase you. They nip at you. They leave poop in the grass. These web-footed waterfowl have black heads, long black necks, and white chin straps, and they are in the same family as ducks and swans. They mate for life, raising their families together each year. The female builds a nest made with grass, twigs, and mud. Then she lines the nest with down from her own body. She lays one egg each day until she has a clutch of around 5 eggs. She incubates the eggs for 28 to 30 days. When she leaves, she covers the eggs to keep them warm. The gander stays nearby to keep watch, but not too close to give away the location of the nest. The mother goose is a very good mother to her fluffy yellow goslings. I once read where a mother goose went to a human for help. A police officer was sitting in his cruiser. He heard what sounded like a knock. He turned to see a goose pecking at his car door. The determined goose continued pecking until the officer stepped outside his car. The goose started to walk away, but kept turning to make sure the officer was following her. She stopped beside her gosling, which was tangled in a balloon string. A female police officer, who had just joined the other policeman, decided to try and free the gosling. The mother goose waited patiently from a safe distance. When the officer untangled the baby, she put the gosling down and the baby sped toward her clever mother. The goose and gander lead their babies to the safety of water within 24 hours of their birth. The babies are able to dive and swim 30 to 40 feet underwater when they are just a day old. They continuously eat seeds, nuts, grass, plants, and berries. They are especially fond of blueberries. When 2 or 3 months old, they fly. If they survive being targeted by foxes, owls, raccoons, and snapping turtles, they live to be up to 25 years old. Geese fly in a giant V formation. It adds at least 71% greater flying range than if each bird flew on its own. When the goose in front gets tired, another goose takes over the lead. They honk to encourage those in front to keep up their speed. If one of the geese gets sick or hurt, 1 or 2 may drop out of the formation to help and protect the injured one. They will try to stay with him until he dies or can fly again. Some geese migrate south. The geese where we live stay all year long. Each day I hear their honk, honk, honk as they fly through the sky. So this was in the summer portion of my book. And there's lots of other categories. One is about traveling the roads of West Virginia. And here are some of the nice, colorful pictures I've got. This one picture is in Jackson County. That stone face cut out of the stone there. And then there's the largest teapot in the world. And there's Mothman. But there's a lot of categories, a lot of nice pictures. There's poems, there's activities, there's recipes in here. And I hope you enjoyed my reading today about Gaggles of Geese.